How could you possibly call yourself a man after you place your dirty hands on an innocent child? Just barely 13, her breast could barely be seen, yet still you venture in between those fragile legs, hardly able to defend themselves against such a sinister assault. Violation of her pride as he begins to violently ride as if on a bike. Such thoughts turns my inside, leaves me sick till my stomach starts to reverse its peristaltic motion of digestion. But this beast of a man, no, more than a beast, more like demon to listen to those screeching cries, piercing nails into any man's heart that has a conscience. Guess he does not have one. He is just an empty vessel containing supernatural forces of evil. For he never stopped just for a second to think to himself, what if it was my mother? Or maybe sister, or even daughter? No, he carries no such love in his heart, therefore he has none. And yet still leaving her bleeding in tears, shattered for life, like every mirror she would now look at, and like every boy that would now look like him to her. And now leaving that dark room with a demonic smile on his face to guiltlessly make love to her very own mother in the other room. What a man!